Query on index constituents data. This query trigger is available under Stock Prices and Capital Changes section. This query trigger enables the user to find companies which are constituents of the selected indices on the stock exchange and also provides the data on these indices sourced from the stock exchanges. The query trigger facilitates the selection of two kinds of indices, the BSE indices and the NSE indices. Let us understand the functioning of this query trigger with the help of an example. Suppose we want to find companies that constitute the CNX Nifty index and whose company weights are between 1 to 5 for any one of the last 15 trading days. To execute this query, you need to follow 7 steps. The first step is to select the appropriate tab from the 3 tabs available on the top of the user interface. The tab Query on Index Constituents is selected by default, and let us change it to Query on Index Constituents Data. The second step is to select the index CNX Nifty available under NSE indices. The third step is to select the indicator to be queried on and also specify the range in the Range From and Range To boxes. Let us select the indicator Company Weights and enter 1 in Range From box and 5 in Range To box. The fourth step is to enter date in the Query on Dates box. The default selection is L. Let us change the default selection to L15, which implies last 15 trading days for which constituents data is available. Let us retain the selections in the Output Dates box as AP, in interval drop-downs as Daily, and in Date Proximity as Exact Date. The date formats used in the Query on Dates, Output Dates, Interval, and Date Proximity boxes are explained in the Help on Dates, which can be accessed by clicking on the question mark icon available just above the Query on Dates box. The fifth step is to choose the appropriate domain from the 2 domains available, All Companies and Companies in Current OSE. The domain All Companies conducts a search over all the companies available in the Provis database. The domain Companies in Current OSE conducts a filtering on the companies available in the current output sheet. The domain All Companies is selected by default, and let us retain the same. The sixth step is to select the appropriate output destination from the 4 formats available in the Select Output Destination box. The first is the OSE format, which lists the names of companies in rows and time and indicator in columns. The second output destination is the WS, which is the worksheet, which displays indicators in rows and companies and time in columns. The third output destination is also WS, which displays time in rows and companies and indicators in columns. The fourth output destination is the TXT output, which displays the data in a text file. The default selection in the Select Output Destination box is OSE, and let us retain the same. The seventh step is to select the appropriate Execute option to execute the selections made in this query trigger. For the selected domain All Companies, the 3 execute options available are Add to Current OSE, Send to New OSE, and Replace Current OSE. Add to Current OSE adds the qualifying companies and its data in the current output sheet. Send to New OSE creates a new output sheet of qualifying companies and its data. Replace Current OSE replaces the contents in the current output sheet with the qualifying companies and its data. Let us select Send to New OSE. When the query is executed, the button available on the top right of the user interface, New Outputs, will start blinking. Click on that. A dialog box Output Downloader will pop up, in which the OSE will be selected by default. Click on the Continue button to download this output. The output sheet will display companies that constitute CNX Nifty index and whose company weights were between 1 to 5 in any one of the last 15 trading days.